Good morning, everyone present here. I guess everybody knows the story of how Abhimanyu got stuck into the Chakravyuha made by the Kauravas. He knew how to get in, but he did not know a way out and still tried to get out of that maze. Chakravyuha was a brilliant technique to play with one's mind. But this is all history. We are now in the 21st century, and as they say, history repeats itself. We are still stuck in this chaotic chakravyuha of mental stress, work stress, etc., and we are going deeper and deeper in this chakravyuha day by day. Abhimanyu didn't know a way out, but we do. To get out of this chaotic maze, we need some creativity and some technicality to merge, and Avantika is a place that has both. We have designers as well as engineers. And when both of them work together, something great ought to happen. So, with designers, engineers, and a pinch of fun, let's begin Avantika's Digital Design Tech Fest, Chakriview. Now, I would like to request Sayukta Karve ma'am to show the video of Chakriview made by Akshay Karatkar.
I, as the Vice Chancellor of this university, formally and officially declare Chakravyuh 2019 as open.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Hi, myself Saugandhika.
And myself, Sai.
Wish you all a very good morning. We are your hosts for today and we welcome all the dignitaries, faculty, admin staff, students of Avantika University, as well as participants from Bhopal, Mumbai, and Indore to the Design and Tech Savvy event, which is the first of its kind. We hope you have a wonderful time and do stay with us till the end. Now, we would like to invite our Technical Event Secretary, Prantik Saha, to inaugurate our fest by saying a few words.
Hi, Prantik Saha, Technical Event Secretary, would like to welcome you all to the great adventure on how the amalgamation of design and technology is not just a thought, it's an emotion. We all have connected with the emotion with our own interpretations. Our stories about this have not only helped us in connecting with this university, but it has helped us in innumerable ways of creating acquaintances with new problems of our society and decoding them by thinking from both the perspectives of design and tech domains. We all have evolved to understand the gravity of this situation. Due to COVID 19, the adverse situations have diluted the productivity of the tech and the design that we shared with each other in person. But with this, we also have achieved new opportunities in working from home, through which our engagement and the connect to this world has also gained strength. So, why to sit idle and think about your dreams? That when has to be implemented at what time. So, we have a solution for you. We now invite you to be a part of this quest of this amazing journey of exploration and curiosity named as Chuck Review for the year 2020 with the theme of this year as technology designed to benefit society. So, we have come up with five different adventures for you. We start with the first event of the day, the Chitrakshar contest, headed by Isha Mehta, followed with the digital storytelling contest, headed by Mansi Bandal, followed next by Rupantaran, headed by Himanshi Prajapati, followed with programming in Python, headed by Aditya Sharma, and concluding with Crack the UX Code with Priyanshi Katiyar. So, I hope you all have found your interest lurking somewhere or the other in these paths and have a great experience for what is lined up for you with exciting prizes at the end. So, stay tuned. Thank you.
Thank you, Prantik.
Now, we would like to request the Coordinator of Students Affairs, Dr. Sanyukta Karve ma'am, to give a congratulatory message and declare the Chakravyuh 2020 Fest open.
Thank you, Saeed. Good morning and welcome to one and all to the opening ceremony of Chakravyuh 2020. I, as the Coordinator of Student Affairs, would like to congratulate all the student team members of Chakravyuh 2020 that, despite the pandemic, they have organized the event, even if through online mode, this academic year. With the grace of the Almighty, we took a step forward and have organized Chakravyuh 2020 on national level this year. I am happy to say that with the super cooperation and participation of students, the events were well received by all, and especially the new batch of 2020, as well as participants from colleges whom we had invited. It is an opportune time to have our own Design and Tech Fest this year, as Avantika is in its 4th year and the synergy of students, faculty, and staff has only grown. So, as with all the other events, Avantika University's own Design and Tech Fest has been brought to you all by the planning and execution of so many of our students. I should mention that the Student Council has been a wonderful support. I personally feel that when our university gives a platform to the students, it is a great opportunity where you can showcase your ideas in design and engineering, as well as the cultural and organizational skills that get developed by being part of these events. So, dear all, I hope you will enjoy being a part of Design and Tech Fest that has been fondly named as Chakravyuh. You are supposed to participate, have fun, and win prizes. Correction, you will stand a chance to win prizes. If that does not sound like your cup of tea, there's plan B. Cheer your friends. May the adrenaline be with you. Thank you. I declare Avantika University's 2nd Design and Tech Fest Chakravyuh 2020 as open.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
We hope all the students have great fun participating today. As informed by Prantik Saha, the event leads will soon be joining you all for the session. So, we wish you all the very best. Thank you for being a part of the opening ceremony. Have a great day ahead. See you all for the closing ceremony at 5 p.m. today.